Hi, so in this video we are going to solve few examples related to isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. But before that, just a quick recap on what is isosceles triangle and what is equilateral triangle. So isosceles triangle is a triangle that has two equal sides and also two equal angles. Okay, it means that if this side is 30 degree, this side is 30 degree as well. If this length, okay, is 5 cm, means that this length is 5 cm as well. So that's what it means by isosceles triangle. So equilateral triangle is a triangle that has three equal sides and three equal angles. Okay, and the angles of equilateral triangle will always be 60 degree, 60 degree, and 60 degree. Why? Because the sum of angles in a triangle will equal to 180. Since we also know that the angle will always be the same, so to get the angle of equilateral triangle, we just take 180, we divide by 3, you will get each angle is 60 degree. It's always 60 degree. But different from isosceles triangle, this angle can be anything. It can be 20, but if here is 20, here is 20 as well. If here is 30, here is 30 as well. But the sum of all these three will give you 180. Okay, so you need to know all these facts before we continue with our example. Alright, let's look at example 1. Given that ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC. So this is an isosceles triangle with AB means length of AB equal to length of AC. Okay, we know that when the question says that this is an isosceles triangle, immediately we should know that this angle here, okay, is equal to this angle. All right, that is the property, that is the fact about isosceles triangle. So to solve this question, we know that sum of angle in a triangle equals to 180. So what we do, so we take 180, okay, to get angle of B. Okay, we take 180 degree, we minus with, we know that the sum of this three angle will give us 180, and we also know that this angle equal to 120, and these two angles are equal to each other. So we take 180, we minus with 120, we minus with this angle. Okay, when we get the answer, we need to divide our answer with 2. Why? Because we divide by 2 because this angle and this angle are equal. Okay, so 180, when you minus, you will get 60 degree. You will divide with 2. Alright, and then when you divide 60 by 2, you will get 30 degree. So 30 degree is actually the angle of B. If you're not sure on how to divide, you can always do long division. You take 60 divide by 2. Okay, so 3 times 2, you will get 6. So you just minus them as usual. We bring down 0, so 2 times 0, you will get 0. Alright, so we just minus them as usual. So the answer for example 1 is 30 degree. Okay, it's pretty much very simple. As long as you know the keyword isosceles triangle, means this side is equal, this angle is equal, then you can solve it with knowing that the sum of angle in a triangle is 180 degree, means that this angle plus this angle plus this angle, you will get 180. Alright, so this is for example 1. Okay, let's look at example 2. Okay, it's the same triangle. If you read, given that ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC, so this is triangle ABC, and length of AB is equal to length of AC. Find the angle of A. Okay, so for this question, okay, we know that this angle is equal to this angle, am I right? So if here is 42, here is 42 as well, right? So, and the sum of this three angle will give you 180. 80. So to get the angle of A, what do? We just take 180. Okay, we minus with this angle, which is 42 degree. We minus with this angle, which is 42 degree. Okay, so I hope you are doing your calculation now. You must take 180 minus 42 minus again 42, and you will get the answer is 96. Okay, so the angle of A is 96 degree, and that's it. That's the answer, and that's how you solve this question. Okay, let's move on to our last example. Okay, let's look at the question. Given that XYZ is an equilateral triangle with XY equal to YZ equal to ZX. Don't get confused when you see this kind of equation. Don't be scared, okay? Because they are just telling you that length XY is equal to length YZ, and this length is equal to length ZX. That is what this question is telling you about. And they also tell you that this triangle is equilateral triangle. You still remember the properties of equilateral triangle? Well, I hope you do. Equilateral triangle will always have each side of 60 degree. The angle of each side is always 60 degree. So it doesn't matter whether they ask you this angle, whether they ask you angle here, or they ask you angle here, the answer will always be 60 degree. So the question now is asking find the angle of Y. So angle of Y is 60 degree. That's it. Even though the question might ask you what is the angle of X, the answer also 60 degree. What is the angle of Z? The answer will also be 60 degree. Okay, so I think that's all. Thank you. I hope you understand my explanation. Thank you so much, everyone. See you in the next video.